Good morning everyone. Open your book page number 10. Our today's topic is new plants from other parts of a plant. Now in our previous class I have shown you that how the seed germinate and grow into a new plant. So today we will see that how plants can grow from the other parts of a plant also. Besides seeds, new plants can also be grown from some other plant parts like roots, stem, leaves and spores. Vegetative reproduction. Some plants reproduce from body parts of the parent plant. Some parts of these plants can grow roots which eventually form new plants. This is known as vegetative reproduction. What is the meaning of vegetative reproduction? When a plant grows from the other parts of a plant, then this type of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. Okay? Like plant can grow from root also, stem also, leaves also. Okay? So this type of growing a plant is called vegetative reproduction. Now first we will go through from roots. Carrot, sweet potato and radish are the plants whose root can grow into a new plants. Okay, you know carrot, sweet potato, radish, these are the roots. Okay, and if you cut the head of this vegetables and put that head into the soil, it will grow into a new plant. Okay, like see, here I am having one carrot. See, this is, I cut the head of the carrot and put it into the water for 2 or 3 days. Now you can see it is growing into a new plant. Leaves are here, you can see the leaves clearly. These are the leaves, new leaves. It is coming out from the head of the carrot. Okay, so in this way the carrot or radish or sweet potato can grow a new plant from the root. Okay, you can see very clear these leaves, these new leaves. Okay, so from roots you can grow a new plant. Next is from stem. A rose plant grows from its stem cutting. A small piece of stem containing bud is cut from the plant and placed in moist soil. Roots start developing after some time and later a new plant grows. Money plant, hibiscus and sugarcane plant also grow in the same way. Okay, I am having potato, you can see this is the potato and this is called eyes. This is the eye, you can see the green color growth here. Okay, you can see the green color growth. These are the eyes. Okay, and very amazing where if you cut the eyes, okay, it will grow into a new plant. See, I put it into the water for 2-3 days and you can see these green color leaves are coming from this potato. So in this way from stem a new plant can grow. In your book also the pictures are given, you can see the picture. The stem, this person is cutting the one small stem from the rose. Okay, like this he cut it and you can see here the new plant start and leaves are start coming from the stem. Here the potato, these are the eyes. Okay, and when you put cut the potato and put it into the soil, the new plant will start growing. So in this way, from stem and root you can grow a new plant. Here I am having the money plant. I cut, see here, I cut the money plant, small portion of the money plant, and put it into the water. See how long roots are it is having, and start growing into a new plant. First it is having only this leaf, and when I put it into the one bottle, okay, filled with water, now you can see how many leaves are here. So in this way, from the stem you can also grow a new plant. Potato is a stem that grows underground and has buds called eyes. Any part of the potato that has buds on it can grow into a new plant. Ginger and onion also grow in this way. Here I am having the small piece of ginger. Okay, you can see in early morning I put it into the water, but you can see here it is start growing. Okay, it is only the starting of this. So in this way you can grow the new plant from roots and stem. From leaves. The leaves of some plants like Bryophyllum grow plantlets on their edge. The plantlets or leaf buds have roots. They fall off and grow into a new plant. Here you can see the leaf of Bryophyllum. Okay, so you can see the new plant on the leaf. This is fully grown plant. It is having the root, it is having stem and leaves also along with it, and after some time it fall down. Okay, here you can see the other part also, here so many. So after some time they fall down and they start growing. These are called plantlets. What is called? This is called plantlets or leaf buds. Okay, so these are having the root also, and when they fall down they start growing into a new plant. Okay, one more thing, here you can see I am having one interesting plant, that is snake plant. This plant is called snake plant. Okay, I took out the leaf of this plant and I put it into the bottle which is filled with water. Okay, and you can see this leaf now having the roots. Okay, let me close the book, you can see it clearly. Now you can see. Okay, now it is having the roots. See, you can see this here. Look at there. This is the root. Now it will grow into a new plant. This is called snake plant. Okay, so in this way you can grow the you can grow a new plant from the other parts of a plant. Okay, so this is our topic for today. Okay, that vegetative reproduction, when you grow a plant from other parts of a plant, that is called vegetative reproduction. Now read this page number 10, vegetative reproduction.